Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Josh, and today we are revisiting the Squid Industries Kraken. Before I get too far into this video, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I wanted to let you guys know that I am actually giving away a Squid Industries Squiddy. For those of you who don't know what that is, here's a sticker. I'll send the sticker with it. It's the trainer right here that I have in my hand. It's kind of like a plasticky material. I don't know what exactly it's made out of, but it's a nice way to practice flips without getting cut. Or if Balisongs are banned in your country, you're typically allowed to carry one of these. Yeah, I have a giveaway going on for that. It's ending very, very soon, so if you're watching this video on the date that it's published, act fast. What I want you to do is go to my Instagram. It's gpu.abuse, so Instagram/gpu.abuse, and find a post that looks like this. Just scroll down in my feed, or what you can do is I left a link in my bio. You can click on that link and it'll bring you to that post directly, and I want you to follow the instructions found on that post. Pretty simple stuff. So I have it right here in the box, and I'm planning on ending that giveaway towards the end of the week, so definitely act fast if you're interested in that giveaway. So without further ado, the Squid Industries Kraken. I got another one because I wanted to give it an updated overview. My previous video was on the Squid Industries Kraken inked model, and I had some troubles with that Bali. It seemed like I was in the minority. A lot of people had no troubles whatsoever. Me, I had plenty of troubles with it. So instead, what I had done is I put it back in the box. I've been using this knife for a while. Just for those of you who don't know what comes in the box, you get a cool Squid Industries sticker and a card. Simple as that. And this pouch is actually really nifty. I work in a dirty environment, and this pouch helps keep the Bali clean. But as you can see, I got the model that is dual tone, pretty cool, but also the regular satin blade. And for once, this is not a first production. It seems like on the market, the first production Balis of the Kraken are everywhere. It almost seems, in my opinion, that the non-first production models are more rare. So, just to go over some specs, overall length is 10.125 inches, blade length is 4.5 inches, cutting edge 3.75 inches, blade width 0.625 inches, blade thickness 0.14 inches, AEBL blade material, which is different, that is unique. Tanto blade style, which they have a Bowie coming out really soon. Well, I think really soon, I don't know. The finish is satin, and handle length is 5.625 inches, handle thickness is 0.52, and the handle material is aluminum. The weight is 4.34 ounces, so it's a very lightweight Bali, but the thing is, I sold my inked because I was not very satisfied with it. If you guys are having issues with your Kraken where it has a lot of handle play, the dog bite 3.1 bushings fit in this, and you can tune them. So just keep that in mind. But this one, it has some handle play, but not nearly as much as what my inked model did. And I've been flipping this every day. I have to say, I actually really enjoy it. I'm not even considering letting this one go quite yet. I don't know what the change was, but I love flipping this thing. I might as well give you guys a close-up. I got me some new lenses. Super thrilled. Ta-da! Okay. I want to give you guys a close-up. Preferably not of me, but whatever. Right there. The handle texture is really nice, but still pretty slippery in my opinion. It's very, very slippery, although it's textured. The texture is not very thick, and I notice that oftentimes I have to keep cleaning the handle to keep it nice and grippy. But it is still really nice. The side has that texture towards the bottom. Good for ladders and twirls and all sorts of crap, choker fans. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it has like lines going vertically across it. Vertically? I don't know. Depends on how you look at it, I guess. From the, I'm gonna guess that's from the machining. I don't know. Channeled style construction. The blade, I absolutely love the blade style. It also feels like the machine lines are visible. You can see the lines going down the blade. If I can actually get it in the right spot. Yeah, there you go. Pretty cool. Unique swedge. Really neat. And this is one that you don't really get pinched by. Like the horns are fairly prominent, but it doesn't pinch your hands. And I think that's just due to the lightweight. The chab, sometimes it can pinch you. Speaking of, just as a size comparison, the Kraken is a fair amount bigger. If I can do this right, come on. Yeah, the Kraken is a pretty decent amount longer. Alright, so with all that out of the way, we might as well do some flipping. It has a pretty decent sound to it too. A very marble sound to it. It's nice because it's lightweight, but unlike the Benchmade 51, it doesn't give you that false sense of security like it's a toy. The blade is incredibly sharp. Really super fun to flip. Oh, I didn't even give you guys a play test. It's not too bad. It's a lot better in this than it was the ink model. Zero G, fairly well. Rollovers fairly well. Let me get my, I haven't really flipped today yet. Try to get a little bit of exercise going. Not too bad. Aerials are pretty fun with this knife. Not too bad, not too bad. Easy to throw. Definitely easy to throw. Fanning. Yeah, not bad. The choker fins feel a little bit blocky, but tolerable. You can really still get a spin into it. My main gripe with this is just the grip. it doesn't feel like it has enough grip to it. I like how wide the gaps are in the handle, because even with a little bit of handle play, you don't get any tap, which is really nice. I usually do, when I'm trying to get comfortable with a knife, I like doing that. Don't ask me why, but it feels like it helps me figure out the balance of it. See if I can do a double index roll. Remember I tried doing that in the last video. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Not the cleanest, but not too bad. Regular chaplains. That's nice. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fly off my finger. It's really easy to manipulate due to the weight. That feels nice. Still trying to figure that one out. I'll get it one of these days. This is another one I've been trying to figure out. Just catching it appropriately, you know. Let's see what I got here. I got the light blasting me in the face, so it's kind of difficult to see. There we go. Just trying to catch it in midair, you know. I feel so cramped in this room. Who the flying fuck is texting me? I'm just trying to get a decent catch. I want to throw it nice and high and catch it into a chaplain. It's not too bad. There we go. That's all I wanted to do. Damn it. I'll get it one of these days where it's like perfect, you know? I need more space. Whenever I'm not on camera is when I can do this stuff like perfectly. There we go. That was a good catch. Alright. I'm keeping it there. Overall, my updated score is my updated score is definitely pick these ones up, man. I don't know if it's just because I don't know. I don't freaking know whether the inked model is any different than the satin. But in my opinion, from what I remember, this sounds better and performs better, has less handle gap, or less handle play, and it's a blast to flip. That's all I can say. If you guys have any questions on it, feel free to let me know. And as always, I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, my friends, appreciate you for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.